What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay fam, for these Dorito mozzarella sticks, you're going to need Doritos of course, flour, mozzarella sticks, 3 eggs, and vegetable oil. This is a simple and a delicious treat, and I know you guys got these ingredients in your repertoire. So without further ado, let's get to creating this delicious treat, family. Okay, we're going to start off with our mozzarella sticks and we're going to cut them in half. You can keep them whole, that's optional and it's totally up to you. Alright, next, we're going to take 3 eggs and we're going to beat them well, family. Just like so. Now, we're going to take, you can take your Doritos and put them in your food processor or with your bare hand, and we're going to crush our Doritos. Give me a like. Alright family, we're going to go ahead to our mixing station and we're going to take our mozzarella sticks and we're going to put them into our flour first, then our eggs, and then we're going to put them over here into our Doritos. Once we have them into our Doritos, we're going to coat them real well. Just how you see here, family. Yes. Until we get about a cookie sheet full. Alright. Quick fact. Where was mozzarella sticks originated? France. Mozzarella sticks date back to at least 1393 in medieval France, when a recipe for fried cheese sticks appeared in La Imaginaire de Paris. You learn something new every day. Pretty cool. Okay family, and we're going to cook our grease on low and we're going to bring the temp up to about 325 degrees. And we're going to go ahead and place our mozzarella sticks in, as you see here. And we're going to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes. We're not going to cook them long. And after this family, we're going to go ahead and pull them out. And let's go ahead and plate these up for you guys. You did this, family, and this looks beautiful. Dorito mozzarella sticks. Let me show you how cheesy this looks. Nice! Alright, let's go ahead and have a taste, family. Delicious! I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins. And to our next food adventure. Peace.